Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: Samsung model, One UI, and that the target app supports widgets. Once verified, long press an empty area of the home screen to open the customization menu, then tap Widgets. Scroll to the app you want. Because widget options differ by app and version, choose the widget tile that matches your need. Drag that tile to an open spot on the home screen and release. Then wait for it to anchor so you can continue configuring its content and appearance. Once the widget is on the home screen, tap it to open the configuration flow. Some widgets open a setup pane, others open the app. Adjust the widget's data source, refresh interval, and layout so it shows relevant info. This controls battery and data use, so choose conservatively. Add shortcuts or tap actions if supported. Use the resize handles to fit the layout visually. And check app permissions and Samsung battery optimization settings to ensure the widget can update reliably. To finish, long press the widget and select lock or lock home screen layout so it stays put. Then verify that live data populates as expected. If the widget appears blank or stuck, first try removing and re-adding it. Then clear the app cache and data, because corrupt cache often blocks updates. Make sure the app has background refresh and permission to run. If updates still fail, restart the phone and temporarily disable aggressive power, saving for that app, to restore consistent widget behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.